Good afternoon, everyone. I want to jump on here and give you all a quick severe weather update. First of all, we can kind of ignore this red box that you see here. That's an outlined area by the Storm Prediction Center. Whenever they're about to issue a watch, they'll issue that to kind of give everybody a heads up. They did issue a tornado watch for Middle Tennessee. It is for everyone west of us. It doesn't even include the counties that border us to the west, but it includes the counties just to their west. So it's kind of everyone back here, back toward Nashville, pretty much from Carthage west. We're all kind of keeping an eye on these little showers that may even become little thunder showers here in the next hour or so. These are the storms that I said we'll have to watch, these little supercells. The Storm Prediction Center isn't incredibly confident that those are going to evolve into dangerous supercells, but the potential is there. We are kind of seeing the storms strengthen along the main line. That's something we're all going to have to deal with no matter what. So that'll push through here this evening between 5 and 7 p.m. it looks like right now. So, but our main concern for this afternoon is watching these little supercells, and that is also why I want us all to become weather aware starting at noon. And I think we have the potential for a strong to severe thunderstorm anytime after 1. So we're going to have to watch these little cells and see how they evolve through the afternoon. Hopefully the atmosphere doesn't support them becoming too rough, but it's definitely something to keep an eye on. Storm Prediction Center just updated their outlook. They maintain the enhanced risk for all of us. That's everyone in that orange shaded region, which of course includes us. We were about right there. They did extend the tornado probabilities a little bit farther eastward, and they did mention the fact that if we can get a spin-up tornado, to develop in Middle Tennessee, it could not be just a spin up, it may be one that stays on the ground for a little while. That potential is greatest in Middle Tennessee as it looks right now in North Alabama. So again, we're level 3 out of 5, and it looks like that's probably where we're going to stay during this event. This is your weather map. Look at all this snow. That'll be moving in here tomorrow. We'll have snow showers tomorrow. Could have up to an inch or so accumulation on elevated surfaces. Temperatures in the northern plains today are high temperatures in the northern plains today are in the negative teens. Birmingham, Alabama is 80 degrees. Got a battle zone in between. The Nashville weather balloon sounding from this morning. Yesterday the cap was here. Now the cap has been elevated to here, and it will continue to break down more than likely as we go through the afternoon and evening. Also seeing a little bit of wind shift from down here at the bottom at the surface to the higher levels of the atmosphere, going from south-southwest at the surface to westerly aloft. So we got a little bit of a change in wind direction with height. Not the most I've ever seen, that's for sure, but enough to where a storm could tap into some rotation and certainly produce a tornado and certainly a damaging wind gust. Right now the hail threat looks a little bit low today, so that's at least one positive thing. And we could also have some flash flooding with the heavier downpours. Of course, as always, I'm keeping an eye on things. This could still turn into a rain event. We would kind of hope that would happen. And keep things kind of stable. We can tell you what the atmosphere is capable of doing today, but we can't tell you exactly what it will do. So we'll be here. I'll be here watching it all and letting you know. I'll jump on here and let you know if there's anything you need to know about, and I'll even go Facebook Live if it gets too serious. So I'll be keeping an eye on everything, folks. Keep your weather radios on, keep your apps on. Make sure you've got multiple ways of getting warnings. Make sure you got that severe weather safety plan in place. Go to that tab on my website. Make sure all the boxes are checked, and make sure you're good to go. So I'll keep you posted. Just keep it right here, meteorologistmark.com.